Namaste students. This is our first problem. A 0.5 meter long solenoid has 500 turns and has a flux density of 2.52 into 10 power minus 3 Tesla at its center. Find the current in the solenoid. So let us write first the given data here. Current I is equal to 0.5 meter. Current I we have to find current I is equal to question mark 0.5 meter long. So the length of the solenoid is 0.5 meters. It has 500 turns. The number of turns 500. Flux density. So the magnetic flux density B they have given, that is equal to 2.52 into 10 power minus 3 Tesla. Okay. Now find the current in the solenoid. We have a direct formula. So let us write that formula. B is equal to mu naught Ni. B is equal to mu naught Ni. Now what is the small n? Where small n is equal to the total number of turns per unit length. Okay. So I'll just write here. Small n is equal to number by length. So here number is 500 by 0.5, whole divided by 0.5. So which can be written as 5000 by 5. That is equal to 1000. So 1000 per unit length. That is small n. Mu naught is nothing but 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into n is 1000. Okay, I is the question mark, and B how much they have given? 2.52 into 10 power minus 3. Let us write this is equal to 2.52 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so if you simplify this, I is equal to 2.52 divided by, see, when you multiply 4 into 3.14, it will be getting 12.56 here, 12.56. Then this 1000, that is 10 power 3, this is 10 power minus 7, that will become 10 power minus 4, it comes to the denominator, then when you take, it will become plus 4, 10 power minus 3 plus 4. So which is equal to, if you simplify this now, 252 by 1256, or this will become 10 power 1. So you will be getting up 2 ampere approximately. So the answer is 2 ampere. This is the right option. The second question, a proton enters a magnetic field of flux density 4 Tesla. So the magnetic flux density B is equal to 4 Tesla with a velocity is equal to 2.5 into 10 power 6 meter per second at an angle of 30 degree, that is theta equal to 30 degree. Find the magnitude of the force. F is question mark. So you know that F is equal to, direct formula we have BQV sin theta. BQV sin theta. Now what is Q? Charge. Because a proton charge we have to substitute here. B is nothing but 4. Proton charge 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 and velocity is 2.5 into 10 power 6 and sine 30. Okay, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, so further if you simplify this, so 4 into 1.6 into 2.5 into 1 by 2, that is sine 30 into 10 power minus 19 plus 6 we have. Now 2 2s are, you can cancel this. Then 2.5 into 2, it will be 5. 5 into 1.6, you will get 8. So 8 into 10 power minus 13. Minus 13 is the answer. So 8 into 10 power minus 13 Newton. This is the force. The next question, a solenoid 1.5 meter long and 0.4 centimeter diameter possesses 10 turns per centimeter. So the number of turns 10 per centimeter, convert into meter, 10 by, so 1 into 10 power minus 2 meters. So take to the numerator, it will become 1000. N is equal to 1000. And what we have to find, the magnetic field at the axis inside the solenoid. So the formula B is equal to mu naught Ni. So here mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 and N is 1000, and current I is how much? 5 ampere, 5. So now these three zeros if you add here, then 5 fours are 20. So I can write this as 20 pi into 10 power minus 4, or I can write 2 pi into 10 power minus 3 Tesla. So the option is 2 pi into 10 power minus 3 Tesla. This is the right answer. Okay, this problem, a 2 mega electron volt proton is moving perpendicular to a uniform magnetic field of 2.5 Tesla. Find the force on the proton, and they have given mass of the proton 1.65 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Now observe here, a 2 mega electron volt proton is moving, so that it has a kinetic energy. So half mv square. So half mv square kinetic energy, which is equal to 2 MeV. Now 2 mega means 10 power 6. Charge of electron is 1.6. So when you substitute mega in the place of mega 10 power 6, and E is nothing but charge of electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, and M is mass of the proton 1.65 into 10 power minus 27. These two we cross multiplied and we substituted here. So further V is equal to under root of 4 into 1.6. 2 to the 4, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 and plus 6. In the denominator it is 1.65 into 10 power minus 27. Now you can see here, further if we simplify, you are getting here 1.6, 1.6 approximately we can cancel, root 4 is 2, and this 2 into, here we will get 2 into 10 power minus 27. If you take to the numerator, it will become plus 27. Now plus 27, 6, 33. 33 minus 19. So how much you will get here? Minus 19 plus 6 and plus 27. So here we are getting 10 power okay. So it will become 10 power 14. Then if you remove the root, it will become 10 power 7. Now 2 F is equal to BQV sin theta formula. Theta is equal to 90 degree and B is 2.5 that they have given Tesla. Q is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 proton, and V is 2 into 10 power 7 here. Sin 90 is 1. So 2.5 into 2, that is 5. 5 into 1.6 is 8. 10 power minus 19, 7. 10 power minus 12. So 8 approximately we are getting this 8 into 10 power minus 12 Newton. So thank you.